Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Real Fantasy Elven Realistic Vibrator. So let's get started. So this is the Elven Realistic Vibrator itself. As you can see, it's a very impressive size and therefore is not recommended for beginners, and we would recommend this for advanced users or experts. If you're looking for a realistic experience, then this XL vibrator is perfect for you. The Elven XL vibrator has a veiny shaft which is textured for extra stimulation during use, a realistic ballsack and a large rounded head at the top just there, providing a very realistic look. The material also feels very lifelike. It's made of a soft, smooth material and is firm yet flexible as well. It features a strong suction cup at the bottom, meaning you can use this hands-free for extra stimulation during use as well. The vibrator has 10 different vibration settings, that's 3 speeds and 7 patterns. The Elven has a remote control, which makes it the perfect toy to use together with your partner. To turn on, push and hold down for a few seconds. You will feel a buzz and see a red light at the top. Press the top button and the vibrations begin. To change the vibrations, click on the same button. To turn off the vibrator, push and hold down for a few seconds, and it's now off. The remote control is rechargeable using the USB charging cable provided. Gently slot it in like so, and it will charge for you. Once you're finished, simply remove and it's ready to go until next time. Now, when using this realistic vibrator, we would recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. Make sure to clean the realistic vibrator after every use, and for this we recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that's the Real Fantasy Elven Realistic Vibrator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.